We're going to go into the email setting for WooCommerce now. Personally, I do not like to change a lot of what we have here other than setting up a logo. Decide on what your brand colors are, so it would make absolute sense to go and select the brand color we're going for. And below, you will now get a preview of what your email would look like. So for instance, for a completed order, this is what it would show. And this is a nice, neat feature that WooCommerce introduced, that this wasn't always available. If you don't like what the content is showing, go and click manage and then go and change the details of what is being shown. My advice is that you keep it really, really simple. When you start to mess around with things like this, you could get it wrong and you could ruin the customer experience, the user experience for yourself as a store owner or an admin. And I would say leave it, and until you notice there is a problem or something that has popped up that looks a little bit odd, then jump in and revisit it.